To process, transfer in Education Service Contracting Grantees. Select Process Transfer in ESC Grantees in the navigation panel. Provide the 7-digit school ID of the releasing school and the ESC student ID. Click Search for the system to display match details for your review. Click Accept to transfer in the ESC grantee, or click Cancel to dismiss the action. The transfer in function can only be initiated when the releasing school has updated the grantee's enrollment status to transfer out.